Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
In this video, I'll show you how to enhance your old black and white photo, digital photo, and also if you see I'm going to use for this demo this particular photo of mine, a very old photo. So if you see it is good, but I wanted to see if I can enhance it and make it colored. So the first thing I want to do is there is an old tool which Google had built and is not supporting anymore, but I found this location where I could safely download a safe version of it. So I'm downloading it right now. It's called Picasa. I've always loved using this tool. So it's a great tool for enhancing the existing pictures, but it doesn't have the feature of adding any color. So let me install this right now. As you see, it doesn't ask you to do anything else but install just the software. It doesn't. I've already checked the any issues with the software. I mean, any viruses, anything. So no issues with that. So I'm installing right now. Leave the defaults and click on finish. And the next step is once I go back to my picture, so I'll open it. So it's I mean, you could do a lot of things in this, but I don't want to show you anything of those things. So I'm focusing on improving this black and white photo with it. So I open it, and if you see after the install, at the bottom of the screen in the picture, it says edit in Picasa. Click on that. And once it opens in Picasa, what I'm going to do is click on auto contrast on the left side on the menu there. And it didn't do much. Now I'm going to fill light. Click on fill light and drag it so that you have enough light and it looks better. So once you have enough, once you are happy with the light, then hit file and save. So it will save the same file which you had just uploaded. So I'm going to close Picasa. And then if you see, this is the enhanced black and white picture of mine. I close this, and then there's another website called palette.fm. It's an AI tool which if you see, let's take a look at the pricing. It's free to use as long as you download, you can download any number of pictures, but if you need HD, you can only give you one free. If you want all HD downloads, then you need to subscribe for a price. So for me, I'm just going to show you a free download. I'm going to drag this picture I just enhanced with Picasa and upload it here. And now it's actually scanning my picture. It uses artificial intelligence to figure out where the color should be and what kind of color it can add. There are different versions of the coloring. So if you see defaults to base palette, now we can test out, you can actually test out different types of it and see what's best for you. But one I really like, let me show you what I really liked. So this is okay. If let me find a better one. So I'm trying faded elegance and see how it looks. This is also okay. Now trying one more here. So once you do the enhancement with different versions of these coloring, it keeps a copy, so you can just go back to it and see which is best. But the one I really liked is Bright Studio. I mean, I felt this was the best for me. So I click on it, and it's finishing the coloring. And now see, if you see, this was the best for me. If you see, there's a download button and the HD button. So if I do HD, I can only download one of these, but download button can get me any number. Now let's look at the picture. So this looks great. I mean, compared to my black and white picture I had. I hope this helps you. Just to close this video, I need to give credit to the creator of Palette AI. So his name, he's from he's from Sweden. He actually created this tool, and it's amazing that he's able to give it for free. His name is Emil, and he's done a great job with this tool, and it's one of the best tools you can find out there to help you use AI and add color to your pictures. I hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.